Hello, today we will learn only the use of only two words. Number one, the word is USA. Use and use. Both are the correct pronunciation. But what is the difference between both of them? If we pronounce use, it means it will behave like a noun. But when we will say use with the sound, it means it is a verb. So the word is same, but their pronunciation is different and their meaning is different. Use and use. And the second word is jail. 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 It means prison. And the next word, gaol. Its pronunciation is also jail, and its meaning are also similar to jail or prison. So these were the two words. I hope you will like this video. If you like